today's about serving on Serving Sunday. Serving is something that is very individual, and that's one thing you need to know right away when you think about your serve. I say this every time I do a serve lesson. If you're on the court, you can look across the other courts. 16 other people playing, 15 other people playing on the courts. All those people are going to serve a little bit differently. But what we want to stress is fundamentals. There's a lot of stuff that you're going to find your own path. Your racket is going to find its path, but the fundamentals have to be good. Again, you watch the pros on TV and you go, wow, look at what he's doing, look what she's doing. All a little bit different. Fundamentals. So, talk about extremes. Going back a number of years and you think John McEnroe standing a serve like this. Are we going to teach that? No. Henri Leconte. Look him up. Serving a very low toss. Number 3 player in the world. Fundamentals you want to get though. These are the ones you want to get. Number 1, continental grip. So you're holding your racket down the middle. This is going to give you a lot of snap on your wrist. Number 2, think of the serve. It is a throwing motion. If you were going to throw a ball, you will not throw a ball like this. You would launch the ball from back here. You're going to throw it really far, and you're going to use your body to throw it up into the air. Number 3 is you want to generate momentum, and you want to transfer that momentum into the serve. So I am going to start slow. I'm going to build up that momentum, and I'm going to release. Am I going to stop here? Am I going to stop here? This is where you find your own path. What you don't want to do, a couple of things you don't want to do, is you don't want to have your racket going back like this, because this is just going to flip and the ball's going to go up. And you also don't want to have your racket dropping down here, because you've killed all your momentum. So I can either build that momentum by going, or I can build that momentum by slowing down and then releasing. But the fundamental is the throwing motion, continental grip, build that momentum, launch that momentum from here into the ball. I'm going to push off with my legs, I'm going to rotate my chest, shoulders up into the ball, I'm going to throw my racket, snap at the ball. So slow start, release into the ball. So really try and get that. Try and find, let's say, your own path just as long as you are getting here. Now look, from here my racket is going to drop, swing up. Don't worry about this. This is going to happen. This bit is going to happen. Just don't get your racket down here, hanging down here, because this is a lot of dead weight to bring up. I will hit a couple more. Again, slow start, momentum, release. Slow start, momentum, release. Get out there, hit lots of serves. That's how you're going to get better at anything you do.